Today we're taking a look at a shave brush as well as a shave bowl by Leaf. Now normally I would do these as a completely separate video, one for the shave brush, one for the bowl. However, currently you can only get them as a set. Leaf shave brush has a fairly heavy zinc handle that is jacketed in silicone. The knot is of course a vegan friendly synthetic knot. Never thought that I'd be saying this, but a couple of special features that this brush has that many do not is a raised grip going all the way around the outside of the handle in the silicone, as well as it's got a little measuring bowl at the bottom of the handle, which means that you get a perfect amount of water in your bowl every time that you shave. My experience using the Leaf shave brush was a good one. I like that it's got a little bit of heft to it, and that there is silicone going around even the very bottom of the shaver, because it meant that I could set it on my very uneven sink sides without needing to worry about it falling back into the sink or falling off and bouncing off into the toilet somehow. Luckily that's never actually happened, but it's nice to not have to worry about it with this shave brush. I also found that the little measuring cup in the bottom of the handle is, although it doesn't seem like it's much, it is just the right amount to be able to get a nice lather on the shave soap. And honestly, I think that amount of water is probably about right for any shave soap that you may use, whether it's one of theirs or some other brand. Now for the knot of the shave brush, or what they call the bristles, I find that it's got just enough back in it so it's not giving out too much, and it's not too stiff either, which makes it so you can get a really nice lather, as well as it is fairly soft on the tips of the bristles for when you are applying your shave soap to your skin. You don't feel like you're getting scratched pretty much whatsoever, which is definitely nice coming from a synthetic knot. Now let's take a look at the shave bowl. It also has a little bit of weight to it, not too horribly bad whatsoever. It is made out of stainless steel that has some nice raised areas for agitation on the inside, and it too is jacketed in that same silicone as the brush is. Now, although having a silicone on the outside of a shave bowl is really nice because you never lose grip or feel slippery, that is not the only trick in this bowl's book, as it has a recessed area inside the bowl. In other words, that stainless steel doesn't actually have a bottom, which means that you have direct access to the silicone. So when you put that puck in there, you are putting that puck directly onto the silicone and kind of wedging it into the stainless steel, which means after using it for quite a while, or you want to go ahead and switch out that bar of soap to try another, push on the bottom of it, and out comes that soap puck. Now my experience using this bowl, I found it to be really nice because although it doesn't look like the bowl itself has a lip on it, and it actually does, which means that it kind of helps keep some of that shave soap inside, as well as when you are cleaning off your brush, you do have a little bit of a ridge there that helps keep it inside the bowl, which is always a plus. I find that opening of the bowl is plenty big enough. It's not too small or too big where I can't get my hand around it, and it gives plenty of room to actually get that agitation going pretty decently. If I could change a couple of things, there are a couple of minor things that I would change, and that is that I wish that the little agitators were just a little bit higher, maybe a hair bit higher, and would go a little bit more up into the bowl itself. And I can't help wondering if they were actually going counterclockwise instead of clockwise, if I would get a little bit more agitation on it, because as far as I know, most guys at least agitate their shave soap clockwise just because it feels more natural. I have not actually tried going in the opposite direction because every time I'm shaving, I'm thinking about shaving. That being said, guys, I think that this is a really good combination. I like the special features that they have came up with, which definitely sets this set apart from any other shave sets that are out there. I found that I did not have any problem whatsoever making good lather for shaving with. It was always the same consistency because, well, I was always using the same amount of water. Now, do I think that it is worth the money in your pocket? Well, being as to how it is a leaf, it is definitely not in the cheap category. However, I have seen other ones that are about the same, just without all of the really nice inventive features that these ones have, for about the same or higher. So coming in at about $70 at the time of this recording. It kind of depends on your finances and what you're looking for. If you're looking for a shave bowl and shave brush with these really unique features, I think that with the quality of shave lather that you can get out of them, I think that it's probably worth it. And if they did not send me these when I contacted them about it, I would have probably bought this set myself because, one, I wanted to share it with you guys, and two, it just is a really nice looking set. Leaf always has sales going on, and you can always get a deal from them a few times a year at the very least. So if you don't want to pay quite that, you can get a bit of a discount if you watch their website properly or sign up for their emails. Now, as I mentioned in my last video, guys, there's a little disclaimer. I do not get paid to review these for you. However, they do get sent to me for free to put out these videos to notify you guys and let my viewers know about the products that Leaf has. That being said, if you do want to buy this product and you want to help me out a little bit, I am an affiliate because that only makes sense, and you can find that link down below for this product. And of course, if you guys would like to know anything more about Leaf or the products that I've reviewed of theirs, you can go ahead and check out this playlist up here. Down below, it's going to be a video that you guys may enjoy as well. Until next time, as always, you guys have a good one.